Welcome to On the Beat, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. Joining me today is Richard Schwartz and Patrick Wooten of Richard Schwartz and Associates Injury Lawyers. Today we're talking all about their brand new office over there in Tupelo. Welcome to the show, my friends. Nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Haven't seen you for a while.
Yeah, it has been a while.
How's life been
I've been
treating you?
busy. It's been great. Been working hard, and actually I've become more of a manager of the firm than ever before, and it's really been great. And we have so many good people in our firm.
Well, that's
especially in the Tupelo office.
That's what I want to talk to you about, the Tupelo office. Now, you've been in Tupelo for how long to begin with?
We have been in Tupelo for just over 4 years.
Okay, but why did you move? What was the reason for doing that?
You know, the exciting thing is, we've served the state of Mississippi for years, but 4 years ago we actually opened an office with 2 people. We outgrew it so quickly, we had to expand, and then we grew again. So we actually moved to a brand new office, 193 South Commerce Street, and we now have 10 people in that office.
Really?
It has just exploded with the number of Northeast Mississippians who are calling us for injury claims.
And that's what I want to ask you. What areas of North Mississippi do you actually cover?
Anywhere. I mean, it doesn't matter. We represent any Mississippian that's involved in an accident. We have offices for their conveniences. We've been representing people in North Mississippi for many, many years. But we decided to open an office just to make it more convenient for our clients. And we've done that in also other cities, Hattiesburg, Meridian, and we're going to expand even further to make certain that they get the full service they're entitled to.
I want to ask you both, if I can go, because it's very rare that we get both of you in the studio. Yeah. I want to ask you first, well, how do you feel about doing what you do? What is it that you love about your gig? I call it a gig because I hate using the word job, because job always makes it feel mundane, right?
Absolutely. No, the greatest thing that I love, and I think that just permeates everyone, is helping people. Is that, you know, people call lawyers typically when something bad happens.
I know.
You know, they've been in a car wreck.
They're at their lowest.
That's right. They've been in a car wreck, been hurt on the job, and we're there to be able to hold their hand and walk them through the legal process and get them the justice they deserve. So that's what we love, is that we are in the helping people business.
What about you, sir?
That is one of my top priorities. The other priority is to see the smile that we're on the team with them, we're going to fight the insurance company, and I give them a check. It's always a good feeling to know that we were successful in beating the insurance company.
Can I ask you, and I'm just going off the cuff here, as someone who may have had an injury, what do they sort of see as a turnaround time before you get some form of result? Are we talking 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or does it depend on the case?
It does. It depends on the case. It depends on how long they treat. It depends on so many different other factors. You can't really say how long. You can't really say how much.
Really?
You can say that it's definitely worth your time to hire an attorney, because there are studies by insurance companies that say they're going to have to pay 3 to 4 times more money if you hire an attorney. That's why insurance companies try to get you a quick check so you won't go hire an attorney.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yep.
I want to ask you, why Richard Schwartz and Associates, and why would someone come to you as opposed to someone else?
You know, that's a great question. And the key is the 140 people that we have that are part of our team. Our people make the absolute difference. You know, our 21 attorneys are wonderful, but it is our team members that are finding the insurance, getting the accident report, talking to our clients each day, and holding their hands and explaining the process makes all the difference. It is that team is what makes Richard Schwartz and Associates.
And I'll tell you, add to that, strength in numbers is very important. We have insurance companies coming to us,
really?
and we want to settle a block of cases because it's on their books. And because we have so many, we've been very fortunate, they'll come to us and settle cases and make reasonable offers. And so strength in numbers also means that when we represent a person, we will invest money in that case. We've had cases we've invested over $1 million into their cases. And so when strength in numbers and all that, it helps a lot to have a big law firm.
Well, we appreciate you both being here today.
We
Great
appreciate
to see
it.
you.
If you want to find out more information, there it all is up on the screen for you. We've been chatting with Richard Schwartz and Patrick Wooten of Richard Schwartz and Associate Injury Lawyers. Back after this short break.